Hey guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can create an outline around your user in the Spark AR Studio for your Instagram filters. So let's go! Hey again! So let's create an outline around our user here in the Spark AR Studio. The first step we have to do is to extract some textures from our camera object. For this we go to our scene, click on the camera, then we go to the right hand side and here we can find texture extraction. Now we just click on the little plus next to it and we have successfully extracted our camera texture. The next texture is the person segmentation texture. So for this we go down to the segmentation tab and here also we click on the little plus next to it. But now we also have to select here person. So now when we look at our assets panel, we can find two textures in there. The camera texture 0 and the segmentation mask texture 0. The next step is that we have to create two materials, one for the person and one for our outline. So for this we go to the assets panel, click on the little plus and here we create a new material. I will name the first material person. So when we have selected the material, we go to the right hand side, set the shader type to flat, go down to diffuse and here as a texture we select our camera texture. Then we go down to the alpha tab and then we activate it. And here we select as our texture the segmentation mask textures. So the next step is of course to create the second material. So we go back to the assets panel, click on the plus, select material and here I will call this material outline. So again, select the outline material, go to the right hand side and set the shader type to flat. Now we just have to activate our alpha channel and here we select as the texture, again the segmentation mask texture. So now we are ready to create some objects in our scene, so we also see something here in our preview. So for this, go to your scene panel, click on the plus and here search for a canvas object. After you have created the canvas object, again click on the plus and search for rectangle. Also insert this rectangle to your scene. Now you can see this small rectangle on the left upper corner, but of course we want that this rectangle is here. I'm filling the whole screen, so for this select the rectangle, go to the right hand side to the properties and here set the width by clicking in the field to fill width and also do this with the height, fill height. So now this rectangle covers the whole screen. Now go down at the properties to the materials tab and here click on the plus and select as material the outline material. So now the person is already white and now we also need a person here. So for this again, go to your scene panel, click on the little plus and here search again for rectangle. Now make sure the new rectangle, the rectangle 1 is underneath the rectangle 0. So rectangle 0 we can rename it to outline and the rectangle 1 has to be the person rectangle, but make sure that the person is underneath the outline rectangle. So again, select the person rectangle, go to the right hand side and set the width to fill width and the height to fill height. Now go down to the materials and select as material the person material. So now the white person is gone and now we have the person back here in the preview, but we will change this now. So the white layer has to be bigger than the person layer here in front of. So for this we go to our scene again and select the outline layer. Then again we go to the right hand side and now we have to set the width to, let's say, 110. Make sure this is set to relative and also the height to 110. Again, also make sure this is set to relative. So now we see already there is an outline, but only at the right side and not at the top. So to change this, go up to the alignment settings and make sure the layer is aligned vertically and horizontally in the center. And when we have done this, we can see the outline around our user here. So there are a lot of settings you can change, to play around with this filter so it looks like the way you want. So at the moment the outline is not really crisp here, as you can see, so it is more kind of smoothly fading out. You can change this. For this you have to go to your assets panel and click on the segmentation mask texture. Now when you go to the right hand side, you can find in the properties the edge softness, and when you play around with this, when you lower it, you can see the outline is becoming sharper. And when you set it to 0 and when you turn it up all the way to 100, it is much softer. So play around with this. And of course you can also change the color of your outline. So for this you have to go to the assets panel, go to materials, to the outline material, again go to the right hand side, and here under diffuse you can just change the color here. For example, if you want a red outline or a blue one or a black one. So also you can just use a texture, so you can play around with this a lot. So I hope this tutorial could help you. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, it would be nice when you subscribe to it. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I see you in the next video. So have a great day and see you soon. Bye!